Hi. You have to tell us about your RV.
It's my RV. My name is Jean-Marc. I built myself.
Wow, it's amazing. It's so beautiful. So it's a Ford E350 Super Duty fuel, flex fuel.
Yeah, and propane.
And it's propane.
Yeah.
And he's got this beautiful custom print. His friend did it for him.
Terrace.
Oh yes. So the piece on the top that comes out and it's almost like an awning. And he's got the steps that go in and out. And he's got this beautiful door. It's almost like living in a home, like a regular home, regular door. So we have to remember this is a living space. He lives here right now. He's on a 2 weeks vacation. So here's the sitting area, his kitchen, and his shower here. And there's the bedroom. And there's a small entry into the cab through here.
And the name.
I put out this picture.
Okay, you gotta read it for me.
Exil.
Lexil is his RV's name?
Yes. Exil 2.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh, because the first one was a Sprinter.
It is for transit.
Ah, for transit.
How long you been on this one?
About 800 hours.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
2 years on this one, yeah. And the sunrise on that side, and this side is sunset.
Yeah. So here's the sunrise print. And then we're going to show you the sunset. It's beautiful. It's amazing. And the windows. You have to talk about your windows.
Yeah.
Those are regular home windows.
Yes.
Yeah. And you can see from inside out because it's a different print where the windows are.
Yeah, so when his friend printed them, he got extra holes in there, I guess,
Yeah.
to allow him to see outside from the inside.
That's right.
And how can we anybody contact your friend?
Does he a professional? Like a job?
Yeah.
Does he have a workshop?
Yeah.
So if they want, they can contact his job place.
My brother has a wood shop.
Oh.
I'm ebonist too. I have some guy that did shop my too.
Okay,
That's really
Nice.
I built myself.
right, very
Tank
nice.
is a propane tank for the fuel engine.
So Skanda, you have to talk about this propane tank. Does it come with propane tank initially?
No, so he have dual fuel, propane and gas.
Yeah, this one is propane for the engine.
For the engine, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So he has dual fuel.
yeah, 620 30 weight panels on it.
Okay, 600 watts solar panels.
Yeah. I have two on the 3 by
200, 300, so 600 watts of solar he has. And that's what's for cooking, it's electric, is it?
Yeah, I put some inverter, 3000,
Yeah.
and convert it.
For the cooking. So that gas is only for the...
Yeah, and the battery is lithium battery, 200.
300 amps.
Yeah, that's it.
It's beautiful the way it's done.
Very nice. Okay, thank you very much for the tour of your RV.